Hello everyone, welcome to OntargIT channel. Today we will take a look at the new feature named Financial Text in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance. Today organizations use fields such as the document number, description, or financial dimensions to track data from the subledgers such as accounts receivable and payable, inventory ledger, and so on in the general ledger. The types of subledger data that are often tracked include sales order or purchase order numbers, vendor or customer names, payment references, invoice numbers, or reference numbers from external transactions that are imported into Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance. The financial text feature eliminates the need to use document numbers, descriptions, or financial dimensions by letting an organization create and enter up to 20 user-defined fields on transactions. Those fields are then stored on the accounting entries that are created for the transactions. So, from the description, you might have a question. What is the difference between financial dimensions and financial text? Let's discuss. To start with, financial texts are not part of your account structure. Therefore, tag values are not validated during transactions postings. On the other hand, mandatory financial dimensions are specified by the account structure that you set up and required during postings accordingly. Moreover, in the current version, financial text cannot be entered by default from master data, for example, from customer or vendor record, whereas default dimensions values are entered from master data such as customers, vendors, products, or projects. Also, default trial balance and some other reports in finance are not designed to show data in the context of financial text. So, what are the benefits of using financial text? Firstly, if you use non-reusable values such as document numbers or reference numbers in your financial dimensions, your chart of accounts will explode because of the uniqueness of so many ledger accounts. Moreover, you must manually create new values in financial dimensions each time they appear. While financial texts were designed for non-reusable values, you can easily enter them while creating a new transaction and avoid any additional complexity. Secondly, financial text can be added, removed, or edited on posted transactions. An audit trail is maintained for all edits that are made to the tag values after posting. You cannot do the same actions with financial text. Now it should be obvious that financial texts are designed to help your organization track data that can be used for internal reporting. Text can help you with business cases like if your company wants to keep track of all the transactions for a specific unit throughout the life of an asset, keeping track of accrued expenses by vendor in the general ledger instead of maintaining Excel files outside the system to track vendor ID for expenses, or tracking marketing campaigns. Moreover, you can use financial text if any necessary data appears after the transactions are posted. In the latest version of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance, financial texts are available in a limited list of journals, such as customer and vendor payment journals, fixed assets journal, and general journal. In future releases, financial text will be available in more and more documents such as sales and purchase orders, invoices, production orders, etc. Now let's move on and look at how it works in the system. To use the financial text functionality, you have to set them up. To create a new financial tag, you have to specify the financial tag and value type. It can be either text, so the users can just manually enter the value while entering their new record. List, you can use the existing data sources in the system for financial tags. For example, list of workers, purchase orders, fixed assets, projects, etc. Or custom list. You can define the tag values on your own. It is important to add that if you use list or custom list as value type, user is still able to input value manually. Now let's see how financial text can be used. Imagine that we are creating financial text for car distribution company that sell cars both via physical stores and e-commerce. Managers also want to track each car sold and who sold it. The setup can be next. Win code with value type text, salesman with value type list and reference to workers list, retail channel type with value type custom list and next values added, retail store, online store, call center, online marketplace. After all the setup is done, you can move on to using your tags. Let's create a customer payment journal and fill financial text for this payment journal. These values will be defaulted in journal lines, but you can change them if it's necessary. On the lines in separate field named financial text, you can view and modify your tag values for account and offset account. After you enter all the necessary information, you can post the journal. Now let's review transactions that were posted using voucher form. Here you can see transactions that were posted from our journal. Our financial texts are stored in separate columns so the data can be easily stored and analyzed if it's necessary. If you need to change your financial text, you can use Edit Voucher on Voucher Form and enter new correct values easily. You can also specify the reason for your changes to track what caused the changes in text. In our example that you can see on the slide, there was a mistake in data from the retail store and wrong salesman was specified during initial postings. So we changed salesman and also in reason for edit field specified the mistake in data caused these changes. From the voucher form, you can also view the audit trail and see all the changes that were made with date and user who made these changes. In conclusion, I would like to say that financial text feature has potential to become a useful tool for the financial management. Right combination of financial dimensions and financial text can make your life easier and help you avoid a lot of unnecessary manual work and help you gather more information about your company everyday transactions to create more informative reports and analysis. Moreover, as I mentioned before, in the near future, financial texts will be actively developed. They will be added to the other important documents in the system and add functionality to use financial text for transaction settlements. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications to always stay tuned.